So I was talking to one of my friends who is also a trader, and he said, "Hey, what would you say are some of the major factors that probably shifted your trading from an average trader to a consistently profitable trader? What are those factors, or what are those things that probably shifted your trading?" And I decided that's a good question. I probably should make a video around that. So in this video, I'm going to just share, I think, one or two factors that really shifted my trading, my approach to trading. And there are many other factors, but I'm just going to talk about these two, and probably will share more of the other factors in the coming videos. So if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video if I don't give you something to think about in this video. Probably I've entertained you for a few minutes, so the least you can do for me is to just like the video. Otherwise, if you are looking for forex robots, indicators, books and stuff, all those things that you guys are always looking for on the internet, there are links in the description box below. You can download everything for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. You don't have to pay a dime, you don't pay a cent. And many people also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. So visit that link and just sign up. If you enjoy this video, there are other similar videos on this channel, so go through them and maybe you'll probably learn one or two things from my personal experiences in trading. Okay, so getting back to the subject of the video, the first factor that I would say really shifted a gear for me when it comes to trading was actually the realization that you don't need to win every trade. I know it's a shock for many people, because what we are sold by mentors, what we are sold by people who create forex robots, what we are sold by our friends, but what we are sold by everybody is that in trading everything is easy. You just be flipping money left, right, and center. It'll be like if you go on Facebook, on Twitter, on Telegram, Instagram. I mean, no trader actually shows you, well, very few traders actually show you they are losing trades. Most of them, they are always showing wins. Most of them are just showing you what? Winning trades, especially if they are marketing courses, they are marketing signals, they are marketing some particular package and stuff like that. Nobody talks about losses. And that actually gives people the wrong impression, the wrong idea about trading. People then enter the market thinking that they are just going to be winning. They are just going to be winning. And it's easy for people who have not won yet to actually give up, because they then feel something is wrong, because they are trading this way. Some people are making money and they are just like losing. So what's happening here? Their mentor is winning 100% and they themselves are losing. What's going on? Of course, there are some scams and some shady stuff that happens in forex, but I feel like I did when I started in trading. Most people enter with the wrong idea that you are always going to be winning, that you are always going to be winning. But I promise you, unless your uncle holds one of the maybe 3 of the 6 trillion that moves the forex market every day, you are not going to win all your trades. It's a fact that you need to understand. So what happens is when you lose a couple of trades, people easily shift their trading style, their trading strategy. They dump their mentor, they dump everything, and they go look for something else. What you need to do is to stay consistent with your strategy, with your mentor. If it suits your personality, you need to find a mentor, a strategy, a system that suits your personality, a trading style that suits who you are. You might win or lose. It doesn't mean that the strategy is wrong per se. If something happened in the market that made you lose with that strategy, as long as your strategy wins you 7 out of 10 trades, 7 out of 10 trades, you are fine. Many people are not even at that ratio. As long as your strategy is getting you just a foot above, over the top, maybe 60%, well, winning rate, it means you are doing something perfect. You just need to tweak maybe 1 or 2 things, and you can actually grow from there. Of course, if you are winning 30% of the time with the strategy that you have, then you probably just need to switch it over. If that strategy is giving you a 30% win, the things that you're currently doing with that strategy, then simply switch it over. But never expect a 100% win. If anybody promises you are going to be winning 100% in the markets, they are lying to you. There is no such thing. The market will do what the market does. Our strategies, our systems, the tools, indicators, everything that we do is just meant to try and give the odds in our favor. We are just trying to put the odds in our favor. That's it. But otherwise, the market is going to do what it wants to do. It's going to do the rest. So I chased many strategies, I chased many systems, I chased indicators. I've probably used more indicators in the market than anybody else. I probably tested many of them because I was chasing that 100% winning ratio. It just got me frustration after frustration, frustration after frustration. So it really shifted the gear in me to understand that you are not going to win 100% of the time. What you just need is to win a couple of more trades than you are losing. Then you're fine. If you are winning 7 trades out of 10, you are fine. You're perfect. If you are winning 8 trades out of 10, you are a beast. If you're winning 6 trades out of 10, you are good. You just need to tweak 1 or 2 things. 5 trades out of 10, just tweak a few things. If you are winning 3 trades out of 10, how about try to do the opposite of what you're currently doing so that you win the 7 that you are losing? Okay. So the second thing that I also shifted a gear in me when it comes to my trading was actually that you don't actually need to trade 100 trades a week in order to make money in Forex. If you're a scalper and you can manage it, well, good for you. I'm not out here trying to impose my own style of trading on anybody. But what shifted a gear for me was you can actually wait for that perfect trade. And when it comes, you just take it and you make your money. It's not always that people who make the highest number of trades are making the most amount of money in trading. You find that sometimes the people who are actually taking maybe 5 trades a week, maybe 2 trades a week, are actually making more money than people who are always in the market. People who are always in the market are actually making less money than people who wait for that perfect trade. They know their trade, they know how they trade, they know their setup, they know their pay, they know everything about around their trading style. They only wait for that one trade. When it comes, boom, they make their money. So it really shifted a gear in me. What it does when you limit the number of trades that you can take per day or per week or per month is it also forces you to only pick the trades that are likely, that are probably going to play out. You are now just not going to take random trades. If you're going to be taking 1,000 trades a week, you are not going to really be picking and choosing the correct ones. You are just buying and selling, hoping that something works. But if you are going to say to yourself, I'm going to take only 2 trades per day, or 3 trades per day, or 5 trades a week, it's going to force you to actually only wait for that best trade setup. You are going to scrutinize your entries a little bit more. Your entries are going to be better. I promise you, try it. Reduce the number of trades that you are taking per day. You'll find that you are going to be more focused on what you are doing. Your trades are going to be better because you only have one trade, so it needs to be perfect. It's going to be a perfect trade. I'm not saying that you're going to win with that 100%. I already told you in my first point that you must realize and accept that strategies, indicators, systems, robots, everything what we are doing is just to shift the odds in our favor, but it's no guarantee. There are no guarantees in the markets. It's not a guarantee that now suddenly because you have this strategy on your charts, you're going to make money all the time. No. You are just trying to move the odds in your favor. Then the market will do what the market wants to do. If it doesn't pan out, it doesn't mean you must drop that strategy. Well, if it's a bad strategy, then you need to shift. But most of the time, it doesn't always mean that you are doing something bad. If you are winning 60% of the time, 70% of the time, 65% of the time, you just need to shift some things. One of those things that you probably need to shift is reduce the number of trades that you are going to take. That's why I now shifted to trading higher time frames, so that I limit the amount of trades that I can take per day, per week. I try to make sure that the trades that I'm going to take are good quality. Only quality. Now I'm only searching for good quality trades. I'm not looking for 1,000 trades a week. No. So those are some of the major things that really shifted my trading here. There are many other things. Of course, you look at the strategy that you are using. Like I got rid of many of those indicators that I was testing. I also stopped listening to other people's opinions. I think I mentioned that in another video. I got rid of indicators. I already say that, and I shifted to higher time frames, and yeah, there are many other things that I did. But I think the major shift that I did is basically accepting that I'm not going to be 100% correct all the time. It used to be a source of frustration for me when I lose, because I thought you must win. I have the drive to always win. And sometimes the market will do what the market wants to do. And if I don't win 100%, I would go to bed angry. So when I started accepting that you don't always win, I started having a new perspective on my trading, a new perspective on the things that I do. Then trades, number of trades. Cut down on the number of trades. Only search for the quality trades. If there's no setup today, I don't care. I don't get in the market. I wait for my setups. I wait for my trades patiently. If there's no setup this whole week, I don't touch anything. There's no setup. Some people try as force trades, they try and do this. That's why they lose their accounts. I hope if I did not entertain you for the past few minutes, at least you probably learned one or two things. So go ahead and just like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.